Do plants communicate using root exudates underground? Imagine plants having secret conversations beneath the soil, passing notes through chemical signals. It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually real. Plants releases tiny chemical messengers called root exudates into the soil around them. These compounds act like words in a language only plants understand. When a plant senses danger, like pests or drought, it can change what it exudes to warn its neighbors or prepare defenses. It's almost like plants are texting each other in a chemical code. The chemicals involved are quite diverse. Plants use substances like ethylene, which is a gas that can travel through air pockets in the soil, or molecules called strigolactones that help roots grow and communicate. Jasmonic acid is another compound that signals stress or attack. These signals can travel through water in the soil, reaching nearby plants and microbial partners. It's a multi-channel system, with signals moving through both water and air pockets underground. What's really strange is how plants recognize each other. They can tell if a neighboring plant is a relative or a stranger. This recognition helps them decide whether to cooperate or compete. If they sense a threat, they might release chemicals that warn others or even inhibit the growth of nearby plants that are not useful to them. Sometimes, they send signals that boost their neighbor's growth, creating a kind of underground friendship network. Plants also recruit helpful microbes through these exudates. For example, legumes like faba beans releases nitrogen compounds that attract bacteria to help them fix nitrogen from the air. In return, these bacteria send signals back to the plants, helping them access nutrients. It's a kind of chemical negotiation happening right beneath our feet, all without us noticing. The types of chemicals a plant releases can change depending on what's happening around it. During drought or pest attacks, they exude different compounds to alert or defend themselves. Different plant species have unique chemical signatures, so they can identify who they're talking to. This makes the underground communication network incredibly complex and tailored to each situation. Scientists study these signals by carefully collecting root exudates without contaminating them. They then analyze the chemicals using advanced tools to identify what's being released. Interestingly, about 2/3 of these compounds are common across many plants, suggesting a universal plant language. The remaining third varies by species, acting like regional dialects. Even with all we know, many signals are still a mystery. Researchers are just beginning to understand how plants perceive and respond to these chemical messages. It's like discovering a hidden world of plant conversations happening all around us, just below the surface. This underground network influences how plants grow, compete, and coexist, shaping entire ecosystems in ways we are only starting to grasp.